Hey.
Hi Dad. I like the remote control car you got me. And its lights can come on. Its lights can come on. I can turn it on.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And
You know what? Turn the lights on. Woohoo! Oh, you got it stuck on something, huh? Don't do that. What are you thinking?
I don't know.
They drive it into the kitchen. Okay, put the lights on. Can't see it. There you go. You know how cool that is? Woo! Oh, chase the dog. There you go. So that's cool. Alright, so you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Thanks.
Don't sound so enthusiastic.
Thanks a lot.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye.